Welcome. I'm going to show you how to easily remove a background from a photo in Photoshop. First off, you want to drag in the photo that you want to use. I recommend zooming in a little bit. You can do that by alt-clicking and scrolling up or using the zoom button right here. First off, we're going to want to unlock the photo just by clicking on the lock. That means we can work with the So with the magnetic lasso tool, the computer is automatically gonna find the edges that you want. So we only have to click where we want to start and just make an outline with the tool without even clicking. If the tool doesn't completely get the edges that you want, you can always fix it at the end when you're done. As you can see, when you get a little bit used to it, you can start speeding up a bit, and this method is kind of a quick way to do it. If you want a more perfected way, there are other ways, but as you can see now, the tool didn't like completely cut out the edges that we want, so I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. First off, you're going to want to press right here so you can add a selection. As you can see right now, there's a plus sign on the mouse. If you hold down Alt on your keyboard and just drag by the edges that you want to remove, then just go out, and there we go. So let's do this one more time. Hold down Alt, just drag down with the edges that you want, and you're gonna have to connect it back to the beginning. I recommend spending some time on this so the picture turns out as good as you want it. And to add, you don't press Alt, you just click where you want to add, and there we go. As you can see, all this space in between his legs, that's something we don't want, so we just press down Alt and get rid of it. I recommend clicking in corners because the computer has some issues with that sometimes, and it just turns out better. It's easier for you. There we go. Now let's give it a look, see how it looks. Just come down here, press the add layer mask, and as you can see, we have some problems here at his feet. That's easy to fix. You can use the paintbrush and use black to remove, like so, and you can use white to add more to the photo. I really recommend taking your time on this part to make sure that the photo is 100% like you want it. Like right here is something that needs fixing. Once you're happy with the photo and you just want the photo, not the layer mask, you can right click right here and do convert to smart object. Once you have converted your photo to a smart object, you can do as you please with it, and you only have the photo itself, not the layer mask. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If it helped you out, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.